Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, also known as Thorsday. Take it as you will. All right, last night the Culinary Expedition was in Croatia, where I prepared, looking at notes, Punjene, Paprike, I hope I got that right, which basically means stuffed peppers. I avoided stuffed peppers for years and years and years. I just thought it was a complicated process. They're simple, very simple. This just happens to be the Croatian version because, as we know, many different cultures and regions have stuffed peppers. Yeah. So the recipe will be coming. It'll be posted in the group. Enjoy it. Make it your own. Yeah. All right. The Culinary Expedition continues today. Today we are in Bolivia, where I'll be preparing Pique a lo Macho. Now, I have two translations for this. I didn't write it. Spicy beef dish for a real man. Or, number two, spicy cowboy style. You pick the one you like. Basically, this is a potato and beef dish. Call it a skillet, it's not a stir fry, but it's basically two main ingredients are beef and potatoes. Let's get to it. I've got 8 ounces of beef, 1 large russet potato, onion, garlic, a poblano pepper. It's not a bell pepper. We'll be using a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. We'll be doing some soft boil eggs and some oil for the potatoes and for the work in the brazier. Kosher salt, black pepper, some beef stock, just a splash or two of white vinegar, cumin, and smoked paprika, and the empty vessel represents some fresh cilantro, which I'll pick up from the market this morning. Basically, simple ingredients for a simple, hearty meal. Love potatoes. I love beef. I love any kind of pepper, peppers that can go into a dish. So, on this Thursday, have a good day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.